That's right, we got another box from PPE. We got a Duramax. I think this is from 2001 to current, so it doesn't matter what year your truck is, it will fit. It is their aluminum oil pan in a raw finish. And the whole point of this is that it's flat on the bottom. It doesn't have the bump that the factory one does, which I'm not sure why it's there anyway, but there's some videos. There's another company called Banana Pan that makes a yellow one. I didn't want a yellow one. I wanted something that was raw, so I got the PPE version so I can powder coat it later. There's the part number. It adds an extra quart of capacity, and it's got a flat bottom so you can get all of the oil out when you drain it and do an oil change rather than just 95% of it out, because I think it ends up holding about 2.5 cups of oil. The stock factory pan does if you don't tip the truck way up in the front. So this should fix that problem. Alright, we got something else here. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's a fuel filter, but not much of an unboxing. This is another one. Of these is for the air dog and one is the factory. I think this is the factory filter and this is one of the ones for the air dog. I'm still waiting on the water separator, but we'll go ahead and open it anyway. Let's see what it is. There we go. That's the part number, guys, for the factory fuel filter on the Duramax, any year, 01 to 19, or 20 I guess now, it doesn't matter. TP3018, it's the updated AC Delco part number. And again, I believe it's labeled in AC Delco, but I think these are actually made by Raycor. I'm not sure on that one. You guys will have to go on Google and find out. But some guys delete their factory fuel filters. I decided to keep mine in case the air dog motor ever goes out and I have to send it back. I can run the truck without worrying about no filtration. And this was manufactured over a year ago. Wow, but it was built here. That's good. So that's the one for the truck. See what's in here. I'm sure it's the one for the air dog. Okay, so inside of that USPS envelope, they double envelope this thing. It's the Donaldson P551315 fuel filter. I believe this is 2 micron. I don't know. I don't remember what it is, but I know it's pretty good. Donaldson is pretty good, so I've been happy with these. I think it's either Donaldson or Raycor, Baldwin, I forget. Somebody makes those air dog filters for air dog. But anyway, I've had good luck with the Donaldson. I think they're pretty high quality. On to the oil pan. Let's see if we can get this thing cut open here. And this is, the shop's going to put this one on because they have to take the upper oil pan off anyway for one of the mods. So while they've got them both off, they might as well do this while they're in there, because I know I don't want to deal with it. Here we go, more PPE stickers. Make good products. I think they're probably a little overpriced, but you know, you get what you pay for. So stickers, little manual, probably how to install it here. Let's see, I don't know if this uses a gasket or if it just uses like a bead of silicone. You can read that if you want. I'm not going to read it right now. Alright, so this is the deep pan. This is a pedestal for the low oil light, I believe. It comes with all stainless hardware. These are Allen heads. There's the part number. And then it's got the factory, I think that's for the oil sensor. I forget what this is for. Maybe for the oil pickup. Not sure. No, it's not for the oil pickup. I don't know. So there's where the factory bung goes. There's a sensor there, I know that. There's the drain plug, which is magnetic. And then it has another bung in it for an oil temp sensor, which is right here. And you can get an expandable EAS probe for your CTS2 if you want to monitor your oil temps. I might do that, I might not. My tuner said that they don't monitor oil temps. They're not something to worry about. I called SoCal Diesel, who builds motors that do 2,000 plus horsepower, and they said they don't monitor oil temps and that they keep the factory oil filter oil cooler in place. They don't do auxiliaries. They think the stock one is fine. So, in all reality, I have the option, which is nice, but probably not going to run one. We'll see. Again, it's got a magnetic drain plug, stainless steel. It's got a copper gasket on it. Again, that's for the optional oil temp sensor. And the most important feature is that the bottom of it is flat, as you can see there. So I'm going to go from 10 quarts to 11 quarts, which is good. And I'm going to get it all out when I drain it, so that's even better. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching.